Here's a Samsung Galaxy Watch 7. This will also work for the Watch 7 Ultra. I'm going to show you how to factory reset this, a hard reset, only using the keys. Okay, so this one's already been reset, but we're going to do it again, all right? So what you have to do is press and hold both buttons here, okay? The home button and the back button. You want to press and hold and keep on holding. And then once the Samsung logo appears, let go of both and then start spamming the home power button here. Okay, so we're going to do it together. Power button / home and back button. Ready, set, go. Press and hold both buttons. Don't worry about what's on the screen here. Just continue to hold. Keep on holding both buttons until we see that Samsung logo. Once the Samsung logo appears, let go of both buttons and only tap the power home button, all right? Samsung, okay, now home power button. Oh, there we go. We're in, all right? So now if we want to move up or down, only use the back button here, okay? You can see, oops, sorry, it's actually the power button, okay? So you just want to tap it. Just keep tapping. And what you want to do is go down to where it says recovery, okay? So home button / power button, go down, down, down. If you pass it, just go all the way till you wrap around, okay? So we're going to go down to factory, down to recovery, okay? So now it's on recovery. Now I need to select it, all right? So the power home button's here. Let me press and hold, just like that. Now let's just wait. It's booting back up now. And here we are in the Android recovery menu. Now from here, we want to click on the back button this time, okay? So you can go down, you see wipe cache partition, we're going to go down. Just keep going, power off, click it again, and you want to go down to wipe data / factory reset. Now take note what it says here in red. If your phone is reset, you'll need to enter the Google account information, which is basically your Gmail and password associated with this phone to be able to use it again, okay? Okay, so wipe data / factory reset is highlighted. So let's proceed. Let's go ahead and reset this. So the power button, home button is here. Let me go ahead and tap on that right there. And then we're gonna go down to factory data reset, use the bottom button. Factory data reset right there, and then that's what we want. So we're going to click on the home button or power button right there. Now you want to give this maybe 2 or 3 minutes. Oops, sorry. So then it'll go back up here and it'll highlight reboot system now. So that's what we want. Tap on the power home button right there. And again, it's going to take 2 to 3 minutes here. It's booting back up. And voila, mine took like 1.5 minutes, but anyway, we were reset. Pretty simple.